Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the taillights from the Citroen C4 Picasso 2007 to 2013 and replace the bulbs. When you open the tailgate, on the taillights on either side there will be 3 torx screws, one above the other. I believe they are T20. Go ahead and remove all of these torx screws. And then with a plastic tool, don't use a metal flathead screwdriver, as you can damage the lens or the body. Get in between the taillight and the body and just gently nudge it out, as it's held on by locators and these can sometimes get stuck, so do this with caution and care. Once it's out of position, pull it out and then unplug by pressing on there and you'll unplug. These are the locators, as you can see. As for removing the bulbs and replacing them, there's 2 of these, one on each side. Press onto these parts over here, 1 and 2, and the bulb holder will come out. Removing the bulb, you push in and turn it anti-clockwise and it comes out, and putting it back on, you do the same but in clockwise direction. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel.